welcome to my channel, Joyce's Affordable Glam Life 360, or just Joyce. I'm on here because I have a Birchbox unboxing to do. I just received it today in the mail, so I decided to come on here and show what I received. I have been MIA for a few weeks now, and I apologize for it. The holidays came and things got crazy busy. And then I got sick, and I'm still not 100%, still not feeling well. I don't know if it was the flu. I don't know what it was, but was in bed for a few days, and now I have some sort of cold that set in. My ear is, both ears were clogged at one point. I went to the doctor, sinus infection, and gave me an antibiotic, and I've been on it now for a few days, and yes, I'm feeling better, but my one ear open and my other ear is still clogged, so that is very frustrating. So I apologize for not uploading and not being as on YouTube, on this platform, as much as I am usually. I just been very, well, just not feeling well. Going to work, going to bed, that's about it. But anyway, so Birchbox. So if you would like to see what I received in my Birchbox, keep on watching. Okay, so again, Birchbox, it looks like this month. Very cute. I like the colors in here. This blue kind of matches my shirt today, right? And I'm enjoying the slide out effect, like a drawer box. So that's very cool. I liked last month's, which was December. And that box I have kept. I actually have it in my drawer. Let me show you this box, and I have actually put in here my concealers and my corrector and my mascaras and everything that I use in this box. So that's what I've been using this for. So I'm very excited. It keeps everything together, what I want to use for the day especially. So that I'm loving that box for. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to use this box with the slide effect drawer, because I like that. Anyway, let's see what is in this box. So it looks like this when you get it. Has the cardboard, tells you what the products are, and then the yellow tissue. It changes colors. Last month was like a teal blue. So anyway, what's inside the box? Let's get into it. So the first, of course, the first product, I can't pronounce the name of it. I think it's Beautaniq. I'll put everything in the description box as always. It's called Beauty. Excuse me. It's a butter. Like I said, I'm still getting over this cold, so my voice might sound strange, a little more congested, sinus infection. It is a butter lip and cheek balm. It's called, and the color is Cocoa Rose, and it is $16. And it says this buttery lip and cheek balm, which is this one. Has apricot oil, so that it not only gives you a natural dewy rose flush, it also moisturizes your skin, blend directly into lips and cheeks. So it's a lip and cheek duo. And I have one that I received in my Ipsy couple months ago. I received I don't know where it's in here. I organized my drawer to find things more easily, but I guess that's not working right now today. Well, it was in here. Oh well, okay. No, it's in here. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, I knew I had it. I'm gonna have to edit that out because that's a little crazy. So the one that I have, that I got in Ipsy, I think it was a couple months ago. I'm not sure if it was September, October. I'm not for sure. But again, it looks the same, but two different colors. So I'm happy they weren't duplicates of color. The one that I have now is peach blush, and the one that came in the Birchbox, this Birchbox this month, is called Cocoa Rose. So let's see. So yeah, I'm excited to try this this color. I like the duo one, the peach one. That one is really pretty, and I do like that one. So I'm excited to try these. They're almost like when you put them on your lip, though, it is more of a stain on your lip than it is a lipstick or balm. So it looks like that color and looks like that. And I'll put it right here. Swatch it. So that's the color. I'll maybe do a better swatch of that. There you go. So that's the color. So it'll be really pretty for this time of year especially. So yay, I'm excited. These seem to last a long time too. I mean, I've used this quite a bit and I haven't really gone too far down. So there's got to be a lot of product in there, I'm assuming, right? Okay. So the next thing after that is Beauty Protector. It's a Protect and Tangle. The full size for the Cocoa Rose lip and cheek balm would be $16. Did I say that? I might have said that. I apologize. But this retails full size $23.90. It says this paraben and sulfate-free detangler protects against UV rays and heat styling while preventing color from fading. Spray all over towel dried hair and comb through. So, okay. So I am always for detangling this hair. It can get very tangly, especially under here. That's where I get the most tangles. So we will see. Okay. Oh, I'm excited. Dr. Lipp. We got a Dr. Lipp in another Birchbox that was a couple months ago as well. And again, here it is. So this one was the sweet potato. So I've used quite a bit of this. I don't use it all the time because I want to keep it. But now that I got this sample one, I can use this one more often, I guess, right? So Dr. Lipp, it's not huge, but you don't need a lot either. This says Original Nipple Balm for Lips. Okay, the full size would be $14.50. Some of the names, I'm just kind of like, what? But okay. This multi-purpose 100% natural formula works to hydrate skin and lips, soothe sunburns, tame unruly brows, and nourish thirsty cuticles. So it's a multi-purpose. Okay, makes sense. So yeah, so you get to use it for your lips, your brows, and your cuticles. So that's cool. I think I'll probably use it more for my lips than anything, but cool. Okay. And retails for $14.50, so not too bad. Okay, the next thing in this box is the Marcelle Xtension Plus Curl Mascara. Full size is $15. Looks like this. It says this mascara's uniquely shaped wand is designed to hug your eye's natural curve so it can reach every lash with its curling and lengthening formula. Okay. I'm not, again, very sensitive eyes, lashes, you know, sometimes it's very difficult to find a mascara that's not going to water on me, yeah, it won't water on me. So I don't know if I am going to open this or not, but we'll see. Sometimes I like to try them though, so we'll see. Okay. The last thing in the box was this Pie. It's a chamomile and rosehip calming day cream. The full size would be $60. And it says this repairing moisturizer has natural skin soothing agents for a calmer complexion with less redness. Massage into a clean face and neck in the morning, following with SPF. Okay, so day cream. It's a little tube, so I don't know how effective it's going to be for me. And plus with my sensitive skin, so we'll see. We'll try it. But if I start to break out, we're done. and that's why I take so long with some of my skincare and why I really haven't done any reviews on the skincare or shown you, because I have sensitive skin and I can only use one thing at a time to make sure it's not going to break me out. So, and then I want to use it up before I actually review it. So basically that's why I don't really do skincare reviews, because either they don't work and irritate my skin just because of my sensitive skin, which is so frustrating that I can't use new products all the time. Or again, they just take a long time to use up. Not the sample ones, I mean the full size ones that I get. So anyway, So that was what was in this Birchbox box. Again, it was an okay box. It wasn't anything like, wow, I am impressed. Got so many great products. It was okay, nice. Basically, just a nice, I mean, not an over the top, whoa, kind of feeling. I'm excited for the, this Lip and Cheek Duo Cocoa Blush. I am excited, Cocoa Rose, excuse me, to try this color. I know it's a good brand, but the color. And the Dr. Lipp I'm excited for. And again, hair stuff takes me a long time again because I don't use a lot of different products at a time. Like I'm going to use one thing and see how it works and then make a decision whether to review it or not. And usually it's not. So anyway, and I'm just behind with so much. I wanted to do a year in review of subscription boxes with all the boxes that I had received for 2019, but that kind of got pushed back because of being not feeling well and so forth. So hopefully that will still be coming. I'm hoping to do it my next time I record, so that will come out. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that will be my next video coming out. But anyway, if you enjoyed this Birchbox unboxing, please give a thumbs up. It helps me out. If you are not subscribed to my channel, will you please consider subscribing to my channel? If you already are subscribed to my channel, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for your love and your support. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.